Hi, my name is Greg Casson, and I work at Shanti in San Francisco. I am a long-term survivor, testing positive around 1985, and um, and I run a program. I created a program for long-term survivors called Honoring Our Experience, and so on this World AIDS Day, this is such an important World AIDS Day for us because I think what we often feel on World AIDS Day is we not only reflect on people that we've lost. We don't only reflect on people around the world that are HIV positive and that the epidemic that still goes, the pandemic that still goes around the world, but we also, especially in these times, we recognize the resilience of our community that we never would have known what we were capable of until we actually went through it and till we actually got to the other side of it. The incredible resilience that we have. I just spent time with a friend of mine that I knew from the very early days, and he married a partner of his. He was negative, and he married a positive partner, one of those people that was that amazing. And it was pre-medications. And he said, Greg, I just remember how much joy we had. Even in the darkest times, he said there was so much meaning in our lives. We fought so hard. We took care of one another. And that's what I find in this time is essential, that we recognize that we have difficult times. We're all being called forth. We will be called forth, and we will know when it's time for us to contribute to taking care of our community. And right now, what we know is that what I want to remind us is that it's okay for us to feel joy. It's okay for us to dive in and deeply with our relationships, with our community, and caring for one another, and to understand the difference that we can make, that our love can make. The US Surgeon General says, do not underestimate the power of your love to heal your life, your friends and family's lives, and your community's lives. That's how important our love and the compassion that we have. It can transform people's lives. And that is what's going to get us through this time. And on this World AIDS Day, I remember that there was such joy in our lives. There was joy in that caring for one another, and that going into that well of love and support and taking care of ourselves is essential for the fight that we have ahead. We have a fight ahead of caring for ourselves and fighting for our community. And so right now we just recognize and remember all the love and support that we have for one another and that we can take from one another. So in this World AIDS Day, I acknowledge the people that have been my heroes for decades, people that I've lost, and then people that remain today that are still doing such incredible work, and then the young people that are coming up, and that our task is to love and support one another, love and support ourselves. Thank you, and happy World AIDS Day. If that's something we can say, is happy World AIDS Day. Thank you.